some working done. We're almost done. We have this week to go. So if we get ourselves going and get the plan, we'll be able to get the work done. So you ladies get ready. We're going to be learning about the calendar, which is really important because you don't want to get caught in hurricane season out on your ship, ladies. So get ready, because here we go. All right. You need to get this here paper out. Okay, I put it up here. It says, look. Wasn't looking too well when I did that. It says on it, Chapter 4 Review. We're already done with our book, so I made a few things to make you think about during the showtime. While you're out there on the ship and swabbing the deck and everything, you could think about this. Now, we're gonna look up here. I put this up here, and you can't even know how long it took me to put that on there. So you're looking at the first one, the whole calendar. Okay. I made it exactly like this one. So, with the hook, it's kind of hard to hold both things, so I'll show you. Here's the calendar. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. Remember how we learned that? All right. So now, let's get ready because we're going to ask a question about this. You ready? Okay, here we go. What is the fourth month? Well, let's look. We're going to start always taking a nap, so sometimes I have to get up there. 1, 2, 3, and 4. The fourth month is April. So it's really hard too to see with my patch on. Okay, so the fourth month is April. I know that because I was born in the fourth month. It's really important too to keep all your months straight or you'll lose track of time. Here we go. What day is September the 9th? September the 9th, it's fine September. Ha! There she is, there she glows. Okay, September the 9th. Here's the 9th. And you go up. The 7th. Okay, fix it. September 9th is on a Monday. You go to the 9th, September, and go up. It's Monday. All right. Sorry to sweat, so I'm losing my stuff. Here we go. What month comes after May? Let's look up here. April, May. What comes after? June. Now, what month comes before February? There's February. This is before. It's January. All right. Now, what month comes between August and October? Well, let's find out. Okay, between August, there's August, and there's October. So that means it's September. September in between. So we have answered the questions about the calendar. It's really important for this summer. Make sure you can understand that, because you'll need it for knowing when to do things. Okay, now, we're going to go to 6 and 7. Okay, 6 and 7, I couldn't do the drawing, so look at it. You have two pictures. How long will it take to circle the best time? Okay. Okay. It says how long will it take to circle the best time? If you're brushing your teeth, you're taking 2 days to brush your teeth. Does it take you 2 hours or about 2 minutes? I would agree with you. 2 minutes. So circle it. Now, let's look at it. So ladies, get ready. Okay. So let's look at how long will it take to water the lawn and flower your garden. Would it take 1 minute? That wouldn't give it much water. Whoops. I keep thinking my beard's having a problem. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. It says, now, how long will it take to water your garden? 1 minute wouldn't give no kind of garden any time to collect any water. So, it has to be 1 hour. Because if you're not going to water it all day long, the sun will absorb everything. It's usually good to do it in the early morning or do it later in the evening so it can absorb the water and not have all the sun suck it up. So, now that is how you do section 7. Now let's turn around the back. We're going to do that up here. We're going to look at what the correct time is. Time is important. Yeah, it is so important to get time right. You got to know when to make somebody walk the plank. High noon, when we walk the plank. Here we go. Let's look at this time. Don't forget, the little hand is the hour hand. It points toward the closest hour. Okay, Polly, you gotta get up there. Okay, so this comes down here, and the closest one is 2. Here we always go back. And then you count by 5s for the minute hand. 5, 10, 15, 20. So you know, this is 6:20. 6 hours, 20 minutes after. That's what the 20 means. 20 minutes after. Okay, now let's look at the other one. It's almost on the 2, but not quite. So it is not 2, it's 1. So, we know it's 1. It's 1 what? Let's count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. So it is 1:55. 1:55. Right, Polly? Okay, good. You're taking a nap again. Okay, now let's go to 9. We got little things that we're trying to do on 9. So be ready to read it. It says, Alice began making a card for her dad, because Father's Day coming up. At 3:15 p.m., she finished at 3:55 p.m. So how long did it take her to make that card? Well, let's look at 3:15. Was already on there. 3:15 was when she begun it. She began right here, 3:15. But she finished, it took her all the way to get to 3:55 because she carried her down and put some time into it. So let's look. Okay. So let's count what that's going to get to. If she's already here, we're counting by 5 to find out how many minutes passed. This is 15. 5, 10, 15. But we're not counting the 15. It's already 15 after. Now, we're going to be going from, see how many minutes from there to 55, which is here. So here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. It took her 40 minutes to make up for her daddy. There we go. Ready? Now, on 10 and 11, circle the better time, similar to what we did earlier. All right. It says, circle the better time. If they're out at the zoo, are they at the zoo at noon? Are they at the zoo at midnight? It doesn't take too many brain cells to know this one. So, you're going to be circling what time you think that is. Now, these girls are playing dress up. Let's see what time it says. What do you think? Little hand's on the 11, and then the other hand is on the 12. Do it this way. Okay, so that means it is, that's right, 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock. So you write 11 on the one side, hang on. Okay, 11 on this side, and on the other one, o'clock. Remember, o'clock goes like that. Anytime you have no clock, it's 0, 0. On 12, on 12 it says it has several clocks. One of the things I want you to think about, as I think, write the time. What it means, wonder what that means, it means, write the time, think about what is a quarter to, and a quarter till is the same thing. Same thing. It just means it's 15 2. So, remember the clock was over on the side? A quarter to means that it is like this, like Miss Chester showed you before. Okay, that means it's that way. No matter what the hour is, quarter to is when a big hand is on the 9. Okay? Now, when it is a quarter after, it means the big hand is on the 3. Quarter after, so this is divided into 4 pieces, and this is a quarter. A quarter after. So, then half past is when it's halfway. Halfway through the hour. Okay, and that means 30 minutes. So, that's how that'll work. So, when you look at this, you're going to look at these individually and look at the time. Always remember, shorthand is the hour hand. So you want to get the shorthand, right? Shorthand. And get that on there. Then, let me think, and then the long hand is the minute hand. How many minutes has gone past? And I've shown that right here. Okay, so make sure when you're looking at it, make sure you're looking at the time and how many minutes go past. 5, 10, 15, 20, 22. Okay, that's after you got past 20, then you do minutes. But you count by 5s, get around on those points of different ones. 1 is 5 minutes, 2 is 10, 3 is 15 minutes, and so on, all the way around. Remember, the minute hand is long, and the hour hand is short. Now, so you'll be doing this part and looking where they're at. And looking, you can get your parents to help you a little if you need to, because you should be able to figure it out. Now, the part we're getting ready to do right now, you have to really be listening. Okay, here we have activities, math games, building a birdhouse. Tells you when it starts. Important to be there on time. You might get walking the plank. Okay, now, so let's be looking. So, right here, we're looking at the time. When did they start it? They started it. Big Hand is on 12. That means o'clock, right? O'clock. Then, his little hand and the hour hand point to the 9. Point to the 9, so that means it is 9 o'clock. Yeah, 9 o'clock. Shivers and timbers. Here we go. Next one over. When did they finish the game? Important to know when it's over. Okay, now, that will be, she is right past the 9, but now, the big hand is moved from all the way from here to the 10. Let's count it. Ready? Okay, Polly. Okay, here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So it is now 9:50. So how many minutes has passed? That's easy, 50, because it was 9 o'clock on the hour, still 9 o'clock on the hour, it's in the hour, but 50 minutes have passed. So now you put 50 minutes. I knew you were real smart on this kind of thing. Okay, now, let's get down to the building of the Bill Birdhouse. When did they start doing that? Okay, they started. Let's go back up here. We have to go back. So it's not 2, it's what? You're right, but then you got it right. Okay, so go back, and it's 1. So we have to hit it on 1. And then, this going to be easy because it's down on the 6 already, it's half past. But what is half past? You're right. You don't have to go out and find it, you don't need it, but you do. Here we go. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 30 minutes. It is 1:30. They started it. Let's go over here and see what they did. You ready? Okay. Now, let's look. Now it is still half past. So whatever it was, took them an hour. Took them more than an hour. Look at this. Because now, it's pointing toward the 5. Okay, pointing to 5 now. So it's pointing to 5. Just want to check myself real quick. Make sure I got it right. Okay. Okay, then we know it is only by hours. It has gone around. So, when it's done that, because we know the minute hand is going to be the same, 30. So now we're looking for the hour hand. The hour hand went from being 1:30 to 2:30 to 3:30. I think maybe it's 4:30. I think I'm at, let's see how they drew it. No. Already didn't see that. That's going to be 5:30. So I should put that a little more toward the middle. So it's going to be 5:30. So it took them 1, 2, 3, 4 hours to make that birdhouse. There better be some birdhouse is all I can say. Okay, 5 hours. Now, did I say 5 hours? 1, 2, 3, 4 hours. Sorry, 4 hours. 4 hours, because it's 5:30. 1:30, 5:30. All right. So, on this, that finishes that page. Back in the front. Take your time when you're doing all these clock times. Don't rush through it. You might get the wrong answer. But I know you all are very smart. You can do it. Don't sleep like Polly keeps doing. Come on, wake up, bird. Okay? Because you need to be on your toes. Just like when you're in a battle with another ship. Or you're out there trying to, well, I don't want to say that. Go and get in the treasure and all that. You're going to get that. Can't sleep on the job. You can't sleep on doing your work neither. So make sure that you get your work done just as good as Jack Sparrow is good at getting all the stuff he wants done. Arr!